Hello everyone, welcome to the Operation Management course. My name is Hassan Wafai. Um, in this quick video, I would like to introduce myself and introduce the course. I prepared a couple of slides and we will go through the slide together. A little bit about myself. My name is, as I said, Hassan Wafai. I'm Associate Prof at Royal Road University in Victoria, Canada. I'm the intellectual lead of the area of Operation and Supply Chain Management in the School of Business. My background, educational background, I have a PhD in managing technology transfer from Salford University, MBA from Dundee University. I'm also an engineer. I work in different academic institutions in Canada and around the world. My research area is within the area of technology transfer, innovation management in Canada, regional and urban planning, and construction management. Consulting, I'm a certified management consultant. In Canada, I work as a project manager. I work in different industry, manufacturing, construction, trading, public, etc. I believe the best way to introduce myself is through the companies or some of the companies I worked with or I helped a different stage of my career. So you can see here academic and professional, non-for-profit, public governments, different types of industries. How to contact me? I'm available on Sakai. My email address shown here. Please use the first email address, the second one not yet active. We can set a time on Adobe Connect or Skype. I'm also available on social media. That's my phone number shown here. So, operation management course, there are 6 main topics in this course. The first one, which we will cover in week 1 and 2, which is about strategic role of operation. In week 3 and 4, we will dig a little bit deeper in the process view of operation, how to analyze a process, how to calculate the key measures that help us assess the performance of a process. In week 5 and 6, we will discuss the lean view of operation, specifically the lean operation, just in time. And week 6 and 8, we will discuss supply chain management, and we will discuss more specifically the topic of inventory management. In week 9, we will touch base on the capacity management, and finally, we will discuss the quality management in week 10. Overall assessment. Week 1 and 2, which is the first topic, it's 14%, and that will be for 3 discussion boards and webinar. The first discussion board is more about, introduce yourself, and then there will be 2 discussion boards. There will be a case study. So almost every unit or every topic, we will discuss a case, almost. And there will be also a webinar in the second week, and that is also for week 3 and 4, week 5 and 6, 7 and 8. In week 9, since it's only 1 week, we will cover the topic of capacity management, so it's 7%, and week 10, it's also 7%. We will have the final webinar in week 10. We will have a final project of 30%. Some important educational values as we will start together this course. I believe learning is an enjoyable, interesting, and useful process. We should enjoy the process. We should be able to learn from it and should be able to take these learnings and apply them in your organizations. I believe that requires preparation and participation from your end as well as from my end. English language, clearly some of you, English is not their first language. It's the same for myself, by the way. That shouldn't be a barrier. We will communicate in English. All your assignments, discussion are in English, in fact. I'm flexible. I do understand that you are professionals, working professionals. Flexibility is a part of the process, certainly. However, that shouldn't affect the academic integrity and the overall assessment. Fairness in terms of the grade is very important. If the process is not fair, you can't enjoy, you can't learn. Finally, diversity and respect. We all should respect diversity. And diversity is not only about background, culture, religion. No, it goes beyond that to your professional diversity. Engineers think in a different way compared to physicians, for example. Everyone see the word differently, so we need to respect that. The overall goal of the course is that you take the learning to apply them in your organization, and that is my job. My role here is to help you doing that. Thank you very much, and I'm looking forward to working with you over the next 10 weeks. Thank you. Bye.